Hi guys, just down at the village of Benidorm. One of the last ones to open this season and one of the first ones to shut. As soon as August had gone, they shut. I don't know why. Sure it's not lack of people coming over here. Anybody stopped here, let me know what it's like inside. Cross over and have a quick look. I don't think we're going to see an awful lot, but I think that's reception there, is it? Or is that just going out to the pool? It always looks a little bit tatty, this hotel. Obviously they cleaned it up at the beginning of the season, but Cameron keeps going really dark today. I hope it's alright in the video. To me it looks like one of them hotels that not really there to do a purpose when they have to. That's about it. I cannot see why this is not open. Where it is just on the end of the strip. So it'll be absolutely excellent for the strip and whatnot. And it's still, you know, shutting really early, opening late. There we go. There's a strip down there. Have you got any ideas? If you've heard anything, guys, let me know. You stop there, what's it like inside? And surely what they've earned this season is just paid for the staff. Should imagine they've made no money at all. You never know, do you?
I've got it in my head for a brekkie kid, to be fair. I'm gonna have a brekkie now, then have a wheel.
I mean, just further down here, you've got the Ambassador on the one side. Massive hotel. Open all year. Surely if they can do it. The village of Benidorm is part of a group. So maybe the group's just shut one hotel. That just says lack of bookings, doesn't it? There's the Ambassador there. It's been done out a couple of years ago. You got Neptune's there. Put it down a little bit. Probably one of the most famous bars in Benidorm. I think it was on a show or something. Can't quite remember what it was called. Let me know. and Morgan's Tavern. It's all part of one. All the same place. Loads of shows on here. It's probably the best place to come for entertainment, especially later on in the year. We've got 8 shows on tonight if I counted correctly. Yeah. Yeah, through 2 AM. But yeah, it's a regular thing. Gets really bad in winter, they'll probably knock a show off. But yeah, it gets pretty packed in there. If something you want to see, getting early. It's always on here when I get down here. You're right there? Johnny Hellraiser there, doing a gig. You can find entertainment in the afternoon even, in Benidor. There's the Benidor. Hello. Hey. Yeah, I've just done that out last year, I think it was. A really good job of it. Not getting much feedback on these hotels at the moment. Guys, if you let me, you guys that know, you stop there, let us know what it was like, please. So, Ambassador over there, 1 and 2. They did a really good job when they redone them. Black chicken down that way. We carry along the strip. Doing dispute about these 2 bars. John Joseph's. And JJ's. Is it 1? Is it 2? I think it's still 2, guys. It's my opinion, mind.
Hi!
Hey, everyone wants to get on camera. Oh, yeah, a lot of supermarkets, gift shops up here on the one side, and the food bars, of course. And over the road you've got the main bars, evening bars, so we put it. And you've got the square further up, which is the nightclub square. Yeah, if you've never been to Benidorm, not all Benidorm is, but yeah, you can definitely get a decent night out down here, wherever the day or week. A little bit of music going off in the background. We're not trying to pinch anybody's music, YouTube. We're just trying to get past. There we go. Just next door to that's Hotel California. Yeah, it's quite a few people say the drinks are a bit expensive in there. I don't know about that. I said I've got a few offers on, but there we go. Yeah, it's gone up again. and the Crown pub on the end. They have a lot of entertainment on there, like singers and such like. Before I get run over. You got Insomnia on the end there. Nightclub. I don't know if it's any better. I've not been in there since they redid it. And there we go. That's some of the strip. Let me know if you've stopped at Villa de Benidorm, down on the bottom there where we first started, and if you've got any idea why they shut so early. Okay, we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.